welcome back to another video. Today it's me, Rose, and Jack over here. You're going to be watching from my perspective. That I can't speak anymore. And we are going to be playing Escape the Hotel, so let's go. You can do crazy jumps in here as well.
Yeah.
It's like really cool. Okay, now the manager has gone mad and locked us all in the hotel. Okay, let's go into here.
Follow my lead, Rose.
Well, obviously. Girl! I'm sitting on the toilet again. I did this last time we played Girl!
Just click the green. This is the one with the green button. That's not it. Also, sometimes she's going to be making me do the jumps. No, click that red one. The other red one over there. Click it.
Hey, I'm here. Let's go. Guys, this is my first time playing, so Jack might help me a few times, okay?
Yeah, I might have to do it for her a few times.
Yeah, because I'm not... Oh, God, I'm going to need help on this upcoming part. Plus, my screen keeps freezing, so we might end the video a bit early, guys, okay? Just giving y'all a heads up.
Just watch what I just did.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. Oh, I did it!
You didn't get that thing, though.
It's fine. I don't need it. Oh, there's two more people in the game. Jack, can you get me over there? I can't do it without falling and messing up. Thanks, Jack. Okay, so... Oh my god. I always have to mess the thing up. Let me just go normally, okay, Jack?
Alright.
Just wait for me over there, okay?
Oh. I might barely be talking in this video, though.
Yeah, Jack's probably not going to talk very much. I'm just going to explain everything we're doing and everything. So then you guys will get a full idea, okay?
Rose and I are hanging out, though.
Yeah, I'm hanging out at his house for a while. And then he came over to my house earlier. We went to the river. We had a bunch of fun.
Yeah, this is like our best date.
Dang it.
I'll just wait for you at the checkpoint then.
1 second, guys. I'm going to do a teleport. 3, 2, 1.
She just teleported.
Yep, we're here. Okay, so...
Go.
Yep, let's go.
She's going to follow my lead. I've played this game tons of times
Yep,
before.
I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just going to follow what Jack does. Do not mind his character. Oh my god, I almost fell. No, Jack! I don't know what to do!
Wait, before we go over there, just wait.
I got up.
Why is just flicker?
Yeah, I accidentally touched the lamp. I'll see you up there, okay, Jack?
I died again.
You died again?
Yes.
Okay, just do a teleporting thing, okay? Just teleport over.
Alright. Go.
Okay, just... Oh my god, we can see you, Jack. You're not even teleporting. You know what, Jack? Just walk over. Oh my god.
Oh, no! Wait, what was this?
I'm done with this. I'm just gonna wait for Jack.
Okay.
Oh, I did it. So the trick is, guys, to go to the edge, but without falling off, and then jump on these, okay?
The rest of the game gets harder, though.
Yeah, it's gonna get, like, really hard. So I'm just gonna wait for Jack here, so me and him can go, okay? Alright, he's getting close. I'm gonna keep going.
Yeah, see what I just did.
No. Oh my god! Okay, you know what? Teleportation. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we're back. Told you we were teleporting.
Oh, that's a fan. You would not want to go in there.
What fan? Where are you?
Okay, no, don't go in there. You're gonna die.
Okay. Oh god.
Follow my lead.
Okay, I'm coming.
Be careful.
The manager has set a lot of traps. I'm not very good at this game, am I? Be honest. Because if you say I am, you are lying. I am not good at this game. I did it.
It's easier on phone.
Yeah, I'm on computer, guys.
Yeah, she's using my computer right now.
No.
Do you want me to take you back over there?
Hang on. No, I'm gonna teleport. Again, because I'm not good at this. 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? We back. Okay, and I just teleported, so we should be, like, good now. We just teleported through all of that. Tell me how that's possible, guys. Like, come on. Oh my god.
I guess how we did this.
Yep, guess how we did it? And if you get it right, we will send you a shout out and we will give you 100 likes on your next video.
You did it!
Yep, let's go. I did not die 2 times that time. I seriously thought I'd die twice.
Okay, I'm waiting. This part's hard, so just follow me.
I know. Wait. Wait for me.
Wait, smoke's coming. Wait till the smoke goes and then go.
So basically just avoid the smoke, Jack.
Just wait.
I'm coming. I will not die a second time. I'm just gonna wait for this.
And then wait until the smoke. Just wait until the smoke comes. Go.
It started as soon as I got to the last little bit.
Okay. Just wait.
Yep, just let me get through this real quick. Okay, I'm coming.
Don't.
I'm not.
Okay, hang on, guys.
I just need to
Hang on, guys.
Yeah,
Hang on.
okay, guys. So we're still trying to complete this real quick, okay? Alright, we're just gonna wait till this passes. Okay, run. Okay. Alright, we're going. Alright, let's go over here. I don't know what we're doing, but we're doing something, okay? Oh, there's a red button. I'm gonna push it. Here we go. It drains the pool. Okay. Jack, get in here.
Hang on.
I found a secret tunnel.
Oh, crap.
Why? Oh, crap.
The pool filled up before I could get in there.
Get in here! Looks like we have reached the boiler room. Oof, okay.
Also, this screen recording does have a recording time limit.
Oh, okay.
It ends at 15 minutes.
Alright, well, we're gonna make a part 2.